Hi guys, welcome back to Davangere Tutorial for English. I am Channu Davangere. Today I am going to teach you about framing questions. Framing questions is very important part in learning, which is going to help you to frame questions, and at the same time it's going to help you how to understand questions. Let's begin. See here, framing questions is very important topic which is meant for a lot of marks. How? I am going to reveal it later on. First, let's know some of the basics. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and click on the like button if you wish to, and share to your friends. Let's move on. We use WH words to frame questions, right? For example, what is used for things? What's this? Who for person? Who is that man? Whom for person in object. Whom did you go with yesterday? Where for place. Where are you from? Where is your bag? When for time. When were you born? Why for reason. Why are you here? Which for place. Which is your favorite movie? How for manner. How is your studies? How many for number. How many students were there? How much for quantity. How much do you need? How far distance and how long for distance. I am going to tell you about the difference between how far and how long in later session. And today we are going to learn how to frame questions in simple present tense. Let's begin. Today we are going to just focus on framing questions in simple present tense. And if you learn this at first, it would be easier for you to learn framing questions with other tenses with some ease. Let's move on. First one, I like sweets a lot. I like sweets a lot. Okay, let's frame a question to get the answer sweets. What? Here sweets are the items, things, so I am using what. What? The verb is in simple present tense, so I am using do. What do? You or I? We can use both. What do you like? What do you like a lot? Answer will be sweets. I like sweets a lot. What do you like a lot? Sweets. She buys a new dress. She buys new dresses. Here, new dresses are in focus, so we can make questions by this way. What does? The verb is singular. The verb is singular. Subject is singular and the verb is singular. So, I am using does. The sentence is in simple present tense. So, I am using does. What does? Subject goes here. What does she buy? What does she buy? Next question. Rahul wants some rest. We can make questions focusing on Rahul as well as on some rest. Let's focus on Rahul first and then some rest. Who wants some rest? Who wants some rest? Rahul wants some rest. Some rest, if it is in focus, we can make questions like this. What does Rahul want? What does Rahul want? Okay. Next, move to next question. If the subject is underlined, If it is a person, you have to use what. Who. Who wants some rest? You need not to use do or does like we did earlier. You have to just replace the subject with the word who. Next, Kishan meets his friend. Here, his friend is a person, so and it is in the object, so we have to use whom. Whom does Kishan meet? Whom does Kishan meet? Next, move on. I plan to visit the library. Library is a place. So, I am going to use the WH word where. Where the subject is singular, but the verb is plural. Usually with I we use the verb plural. Where do you plan to visit? Where do you plan to visit? Right? Next one, to read newspaper. He has a reason for visiting the library. Why? Why do you plan to visit library? Right? She likes to wear woolen clothes. There are different kinds of clothes, cotton, woolen, silk, like that. But she likes to wear woolen clothes. She has a choice. When there is a choice, you have to use which. Which always takes adjective. Which clothes? Which clothes? Verb is singular, subject is singular and verb is in singular form, so we have to use does. Which clothes does she like to wear? Right? I usually get up at 7 a.m. I usually get up at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is a time, so we have to use when do you usually get up? Friends, up to now we have discussed so many questions, and I think you have found some of the clues. Before summing up, I would like to conclude saying that while making questions, you have to use do or does in simple present tense plus subject plus object or remaining words. For example, WH word plus do or does plus subject plus object. Just like here, what is the WH word? Right? Do is the helping verb and you is the subject, like is the main verb, and rest of the sentence. Here it goes same, except with the structure who. With who we don't use the helping verbs do or does. You have to remember this. And today I am going to sum up this video. In next video we are going to focus on changing questions, framing questions in simple past tense. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please click on the like button and share to your friends. Bye.